Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey and we're going to show you how to remove or replace thermostat. We have the thermostat right here and that's what we'll be doing. Okay, you can see with the whole housing and everything with the new seal. That's how you should buy a thermostat, with the new seal, and I'll recommend the new housing as well. Now, all the parts and tools that we use, including this thermostat, will be listed in the description of the video below. Another thing guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So, first thing that we need to do in order to replace the thermostat, we need to drain the coolant out of the vehicle. We need to drain the antifreeze and then we can proceed with the next step. So, in order to drain the coolant, you might need to jack the car up a little bit on both sides. Always use jack stands. Okay, not just the jack itself. Jack stands on both sides. You need to go on the front and here, and then we'll need to remove that cover. Okay, that cover, so we can access the drain port for the radiator as well. With a plastic, with a panel removal tool, with a clip removal tool. We're going to pop those clips open now. Okay, this is a really good spray, and this spray guys, if you spray the clip just a little bit, okay, just a little bit inside, and let them sit for a little bit, you're not going to break them and they'll come off, okay, really easy after that. So you can see one of them came out. You pull the middle piece out and the rest of it, they will have so much mud and dust stuck in them that you will have to soak them a little bit, otherwise you have to get new clips. We're going to show you, okay, where to get new clips from if you need to. Okay, you can see, oh, this one came out as well. Perfect, just like that. And we'll continue doing that now to the rest of them. Okay, we have one right here in the corner. So this one I can just spray through here a little bit. Okay, check out all the dust and the rest coming out of them. That's just unbelievable. So we'll keep doing that guys, and the next scene we're going to show you where all the clips are, so we don't waste your time just watching how we pull them. The procedure is not too complicated, but just takes a little bit of time, and once we remove that trim, we'll show you where they are. Also, we will have some on the inside there, and again, to clarify, that's the piece that we'll be removing now. So here, right in front of the tire, okay, we have one more clip that we need to remove. Sometimes when you open them, if you grab them with the pliers, it works a little bit better. We have one on the inner side there of the fender liner. We need to remove this one as well. And the one in the wheel well usually will be stuck really bad. This is because you have more mud and dust there. So we'll be using the pliers on this one. Okay, came out. You can see those by the wheels guys are incredibly bad. Stay with us towards the end. I'm going to show you where we get ours from, and you can check out in the description of the video below. They have an amazing deal on replacement clips, because I guarantee you're going to break some of those, no matter how much you try. So check out, these are all the clips, how many clips we got now. Once we remove the piece, I'm going to show you exactly how many there are. Let's come now on this side. Okay, just grab that piece and pull it straight down. Okay, it's coming out. And now we can show you a little bit better what we're talking about. So everywhere you see a hole guys, there is a clip. Check it out now on the bottom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, then we go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 there, 12, okay, 13 clips. Then we have 1, 2, four clips there. And do not forget the side ones that attach to the fender liners. Okay, one here and one on the other side. So now we're ready to go under the car now. Okay, this is where your radiator is located. Okay, all the radiators actually. And right here, okay, I'm trying to focus here. You can see this is, guys, your drain plug with a Phillips screwdriver. So we'll need to get that one loose now. Make sure that your car, okay, is not hot, because if it's hot, that thing can spray and burn you really bad. Use eye protection as well. Make sure the coolant is cold, and we'll show you what we need to do next. Okay, we got the Phillips screwdriver now. We have a container to collect everything, and finally guys, we're ready to start draining the coolant out of that thing. Okay, you can see it just start leaking like that now. So what we'll do next, we'll go ahead and open the coolant reservoir, because it will be creating some back pressure. Okay, and I'm still working. It got air. Okay, but the plug came all the way out now. And check it out, how fast it's coming out. So we'll let it drain like that until all of it comes out. You'll never be able to get all the coolant out of the vehicle, especially if you have the heater for the petrol seat and all that stuff. So we'll see how much we're going to get now. We let the jack down, that way we'll get a little bit more coolant out of it, because everything will be level and the coolant will come more to the front. Alright guys, this is the drain plug, that's what it looks like now. And you can check out, it has a rubber seal as well. That's a plastic drain plug, so be careful how you get that thing tight, not to over tighten it. Now the replacement clips that I told you that we'll be using, because we broke some of ours, okay, check it out. We'll include that in the description of the video below. It comes with all the tools that you need to remove the clips. Also, those are the replacement clips. All that is cheaper than just buying a few clips at a parts store. And you can see how many clips you have. I believe those will be like the one that we need. You have different sizes, so you can see exactly which one fits your vehicle. Okay, so we're ready to install the drain plug now. We drain all of it, nothing comes out now. You can see barely drips, one drop per every 5 seconds. So you'll never be able to get as much out as you think you will, but it's a pretty big system, and we probably got about 6 to 7 quarts of coolant out of there. So just get this one tight. So first, it'll be really convenient if you remove the hose, that way you can reach everything. And we'll need to remove the hose anyways, because otherwise we will not be able to access to remove the thermostat housing. I'll recommend again to replace it every time with the thermostat housing and new seal. So get that clamp loose, jump over the hose. Okay, it's about to come out. This thing is pretty tight, perfect. Okay, just like that, it's out of the way now. So we're going to gently get a screwdriver in so we can break that thing loose. Okay, like that. And now it's just holding a little bit on the bottom side there. You have to be very careful not to damage the hose. The thermostat will be replacing it. The only thing left will be to make sure you don't mess up the hose. Turn it left and right, and it's loose now. So even though we already drained the coolant, some will come out, I guarantee you that. So you can see we did have some in that hose, so it did leak out. we'll bring the hose up like that, and we can proceed with the next step now. It's a good idea to have a container underneath so you don't pollute. Be careful, always clean coolant leaks because they're poisonous, especially if you have animals, kids. Okay, always have to be clean. So we'll need a 10mm wrench now. We'll be using a box wrench and a regular ratcheting wrench. And one of the bolts is on the bottom side, okay, like that, with a 10mm, so it will be a little bit hard for me to get the camera in there to show you exactly where it's located, so we'll remove the bottom one and show you on the top one. So we're taking the bolt out now, we got it loose. Once you get those things loose, they go by hand pretty easy. Okay, let us show you how long the bolt is now. Okay, like that. Now we have one more on top. Again, check out how they go by hand. Perfect. This one's out as well. We'll grab the housing, pull on it now. Okay, our seal is stuck on the head there, so we need to remove it as well. So this is the old thermostat with the housing and everything. Ours was malfunctioning, guys. We have a video that explains the symptoms of a bad thermostat. Check it out, it's on the channel. Hopefully that thing can save you quite a bit of headache. So we'll be ready to go ahead and install the new one. Okay, this one says Chrysler. I want to see on the manufacturer date. It says that it's built in April 2011, so this is the original thermostat because this is a 2012 model vehicle. So there is one place where the thing goes, so you need to install it only, there is only one position that you need to install it. So what we'll do, just place it on top, and we're going to get the two bolts tight. After that you need to connect your hose, guys. Okay, connect hose, don't forget the clamp, and you need to bleed the cooling system. If you don't know how to bleed the cooling system on that engine, check out the channel and the video will be there. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you next time.